Hey guys, wanted to give you a quick update on the Millhouse project. I have not been able to go outside and work due to other responsibilities I've had to take around the house and farm, and also the weather has been rather extreme with wind gusts up to varying from 20 to 50 miles an hour. So it just doesn't make sense for me to go out there on the back 40 of my property and attempt to get stuff done. It'll just be frustrating and my tools flying around, and it's not a productive environment to work in. So but I wanted to continue working on the project and making progress towards completing it this winter. So I am working on debarking the braces that are going to be required. And I thought it'd be a great opportunity to discuss the importance of why we fell trees in the wintertime. So I'll go ahead and show you the braces I'm attempting to debark and the problem I'm running into. So when we fell in the winter time, stock prep or bark removal is really easy, and it's quick, especially if you let it season for a little bit. But if we don't, then we catch the tree in its growth cycle. Now, what you see here is called the cambium cell layer, and that is the growing part of the trunk. It annually produces new bark and new wood in response to hormones that pass down through the phloem with food from the leaves. These hormones, called auxins, stimulate growth cells. So what that means is there's an active layer or skin under the bark, which is extremely difficult to remove because it's connected to the wood itself. So if this limb had been cut in the wintertime, cleaning and all of that of this limb would have been a lot easier. I will still take the time to use this as a part of my frame, but removing that cambium layer is going to be time consuming, and as a green woodworker, using pieces of wood that I have on my own property and whatnot, this all adds time. And so the reason why we fell trees in the winter is because this cambium layer is not on here, and we don't have to take the time to remove this layer. Please like and subscribe if you liked this video. Any comments or questions, please leave them in the comments below.